Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. So first of all, a happy new year to everyone, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, please. And I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, okay? So let's see what's there for my Virgos for the month of January 2022. Let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. So at the back of the deck we have the Magician. Let's see what's there with the Magician energy. So you could be manifesting something right now. It could be something which you are really wanting a lot. You are trying to manifest, you are trying to put your thoughts into actions. You are really working inside your head, and that thing is bringing you lots of hopes. Okay, so let's see what we really need to clarify what is all about. In the past we have Page of Cups, the Seven of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles energy. So this is telling me that somewhere there was a message towards from someone to you. Okay, it could be a message, but this message didn't bring a happy news to you. Something it brought bad news. It felt like things have separated all of a sudden. We will clarify what exactly this is. In the present, we have Nine of Swords, Four of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. You are still somewhere not ready to get that information inside your heart. Sometimes it becomes really hard for us to accept some kind of things. It could be in regards with money, it could be in regards with love, relationships, but it's really hard for you to accept that love, accept that thing right now, and it's bringing you a lot of worries around as well. In the coming future, we have the Emperor, Ten of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. So things are going towards the ending, okay, but things are moving slowly. If you expect some things to happen all of a sudden, it might not happen, but at the end it is coming towards an end. Okay, might not be in the month of January, but in the next month it can be coming towards the end, but things are moving forward. That is what is important. Okay, let's clarify why the Magician energy is here for my Virgos. What's the overall energy for my Virgos? Nine of Swords, the Emperor and Ten of Swords. So yes, you are really at a very bad, a situation where you go into anxiety and deep depression. Somewhere, that thought of endings you are not ready to accept those endings, and that is why the readiness, the acceptance of the situation has not come to you yet. So that is why you are feeling very much betrayed as well. This thing might have happened in the recent past only, so that's why it's really hard for you to forget and to forgive. So it doesn't matter, because things are going towards something which you really want, and pains are there. You have to go through some tough times to find better times for yourself. Tell me about the Page of Cups in the past. Ten of Cups, King of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. So this could be a very beautiful situation. It could be a marriage as well. You could have found the best person. Could be dealing with a Taurus or another Virgo or Capricorn. But this was like an energy where it brought a lot of happiness, and you felt that now I do not want, now my life is becoming stable and I'm going to be happy. But all of a sudden something happened, I feel. Tell me about the Seven of Swords, because it happened really fast. Seven of Wands, Ten of Pentacles and the Tower. I feel that you got to know some information about the person with whom you were dealing with. Like, they could have been involved in second marriage, or they could be into something else. Something big which you cannot forget and forgive as well. So that's why it is really pain, like it's like you're really hurt with that thing, and it's coming up as a pain in your heart, in your chest, and you are really not ready to let it go at present. Tell me about the Page of Pentacles in the present energies. Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Swords. So yes, there could be a third party situation involvement in the thing, and that is why you are really in that zone of, you could be suffering from some disease, or your person, or you could be not disease, if it's more like, you are not doing too much of activities right now because you are into deep problems. You are feeling that thing, and that is the reason you are not able to move on. So the energies at present are really slow, and they are not moving on kind of energies, but the main thing is the future energies. They are changing. Tell me about the Emperor. The Fool, Queen of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. I feel that you are going to take more time. It's not easy for you to let it go, and it's coming up like you are holding on to it, okay, for more time. But somewhere somebody is trying to tell you, or this can be your inner instincts which are telling you that you have to take a charge, you have to take a lead. Sometimes we cannot just stay in the same place where we have been hurt. So you have to go away from this place, or you have to do something of your own, or you have to do something else. Stop thinking about the same situation again and again, because it will not give you happiness. 10 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. So I feel that somebody is coming towards you and they are helping you. It could be a friend, family member, relative, but the things are changing. So somebody is helping you. Take that help if any help is coming towards you, because you might be feeling afraid of taking any decision. So if another person on whom you trust, take decision of other people, take that help from other people, because somebody is coming and helping you for good. Knight of Pentacles. And this reading can be for the other person as well, so take as it resonates. If this is not resonating with my Virgos. Knight of Pentacles with it's coming up with the Knight of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. So things are you are feeling that your things, you are somewhere going slow, but people around you, whosoever with whom you have dealt, that is not a very good person. Could be dealing with a Leo or a Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. But there was a lot of things going on the other person's head, and that is why you have felt betrayed. Okay, so do not go with other person's energy, go with your energy, go with your own pace. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.